Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to choose multiple phone cases mockups in Printful. So first things first, you have to create an account here on your Printful and then connect it to a store. Now once you have connected this to your store, then what you're going to do next is time to create a product. So in order for you to create a product here, you must first look and select for a category. So let's just say if you want to create phone cases, then you have to go to products. And then this time you have to search for phone cases or accessories and then phone cases. You should see different templates or designs here for phone cases. All you have to do is to select that one and then tap on start designing. So let's just say I want to create this one right here. I want to use this template. So I have to scroll down and I'm going to tap on start designing. Tap this one right here. And then after that, I'm going to select the store. I'm going to connect my store, big store. And here it is. Now I can upload the picture or the design that I have created using Canva or even created this using Printful. And basically, I can use mockups right here. So I can use Printful mockups to see and select the best outcome right here. So I can choose if this one is way better or this one is way better. So I can just simply choose it right here. But in order for me to choose multiple phone keys, then I should upload my previous designs and I'm going to add it right here. So tap on upload, add the design again, select the design. And as you can see, I can select from any of this. So just make sure that you have created a few or tons of designs, upload it right here, click, and you will see the design or the result right away. So you will see, you will know what is the best one for your phone keys. And that's how you choose multiple phone case mockups in Printful. You just have to upload designs and then just click to see the result. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.